Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to perform market analysis using Perplexity AI. This tool can help you analyze market trends, customer behaviors, and competitive landscapes. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply go to the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now go to the top right corner and select API section. Now here select docs and then select get started button. And here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will help you give access to Perplexity AI's capabilities for market analysis. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your market analysis application by configuring it to handle data inputs and perform analysis. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now prepare the data you want to analyze, including market reports, customer feedback, and competitor information. Ensure the data is well organized and relevant to your analysis. Now use the Perplexity AI API to analyze the data and extract insights. This might include identifying trends, understanding customer preferences, and evaluating competitive strategies. Now review the analysis results and interpret the findings to make informed business decisions. You can refine your data and analysis methods if needed to improve accuracy. You can also monitor the performance of your market analysis system and gather feedback to continuously enhance the quality of your insights. You can deploy your market analysis system in your business processes, integrating it with other tools and ensuring it provides valuable and actionable insights. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to perform effective marketing analysis, helping you make data driven decisions and stay ahead in the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.